Hello everyone, today we're going to look at what chromatography is and how it works. Let's go! Thin layer chromatography. What is it? It is a technique used to separate non-volatile mixtures. In simple words, it is used to separate solutions in a mixture. The solutions are miscible, so to separate them from each other, we can't use distillation or evaporation processes. Chromatography. It is derived from the Greek words chroma meaning color and graph meaning writing or record. Why is it called color writing? Let's find out by looking at the paper chromatography we did at home. We need tissue paper and sketch pen, some water. A quick detour about polar molecules. What are polar molecules? Polar molecules have more than one type of atom. The electronegativity difference of the atoms has to be at least 0.5 apart. The partial charges should not be symmetrical. Let's take a quick example for a polar molecule. Water. Water. It has more than one type of atom. The electronegativity difference is more than 0.5. The charges are asymmetrical. So water is a polar molecule. Carbon dioxide. It has more than one type of atom. The electronegativity difference is more than 0.5. But the charges are symmetrical. So carbon dioxide is not a polar molecule. Methane has more than one type of atom. The electronegativity difference is less than 0.5 and the charges are symmetrical. So methane is not a polar molecule. How does chromatography work? The water goes up the paper or the TLC plate due to capillary action. Parts of the solution dissolve into the upward flowing water. The more polar parts of the solution stick to the paper near the origin of the spot, as the paper is hydrophilic, meaning it likes water or polar molecules. And the less polar parts of the solution move up the paper on the water and eventually reach the top and sticks to the paper. The parts of the solution move at different speeds, which separates them. You can do your own experiment at home. You need water, tissue paper or filter paper, and a marker pen. First, make a dot with a marker pen close to the bottom of the filter paper or tissue paper. Dip it into the shallow dish of water. Be amazed by the color separation. Tip: try and use the black or brown colors. They work the best. Thanks for watching. Bye.